And our bite of the week comes from a Parottee resident in St. Elizabeth. She condemned the illegal sale of sand along the coast, warning that it weakens a major natural defense against flooding. Here's our bite of the week.
The sand must stay there and blow back to the sea to build the seaside, to hinder the seawater from come over to us. And if they continue to remove the sand and sell the sand from here, the whole of we go drowned it off.
And the primetime news package continues with sports right after this break with Ricardo.